Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and effective fat melted drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then to this add 1 star anise. It is rich in nutrients, reduces symptoms of depression, protects against stomach ulcer, prevents the growth of fungus and bacteria, balances blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation. Then add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Let this rest for 2 minutes. The flavors and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 2 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked, so strain and add it to the same mug. Finally, to this add a teaspoon of lemon. Lemon improves digestion and reduces water retention. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. You can consume this drink as such or you can also include honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. Drink this with straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Have this drink first thing in the morning and empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in body weight in just few days. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.